always been.
Hello, I am out in the middle of absolute nowhere right now. Why, might you ask? There's no reason. That's a 2020 Kia Telluride. It's my next car review. And if you guys want to get caught up on Project TeeTer ToT, which is probably going to be in this video, link up in the sky will get you caught up on what's going on with that thing. Everybody else, look where I'm at. This is where I am right now. The absolute middle of nowhere. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. Just exploring new roads with this thing. So, and here is the copper crush washers for the banjo fittings on the oil feed and return for the KO4 turbo for Project TeeTer ToT. I needed those, that's why I haven't put the turbo on yet. And it's super hot today, so I want to go scout new places to film car reviews at for you guys, and that's what I'm doing. Vlogging is so awkward. Oh, the camera's over here. Stay camera, stay camera. I don't know what's more strange. Filming a vlog where you just set up a camera and randomly capture yourself doing things, or watching a vlog. I can't help it though, I enjoy watching them too. Anyway, this right here is one of the bolts that holds the turbo to the manifold. Problem is, look how thick this new manifold is. So I need to get longer bolts that will secure the turbo to the manifold. And yes, there's tape everywhere. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean that up. This is so awkward. For me to get a bolt to clear the collector, I think that's what that's called. I don't know, the flange where the turbo mounts up to the manifold, I need a 76.2 millimeter bolt. And what I need is an M10 by 1.5 by 75, or 76.2, 3 inches. So the closest I could get is 70. I don't know if that's gonna be enough threads into the turbo. The only way to find out is to just try it and see. Look at who it is. Oh, my Mr. Dose. I was missing my baby. So I decided to swing by and check on Mr. Dose. That's so weird. Why am I gonna put this in a YouTube video? I missed my car, what? I left the car cover up because it was still kind of warm when I brought it over here. In case you guys were wondering how Mr. Dose was doing, he's doing fine. I'm literally talking about this car as if it's a person right now. This is real life. This isn't like me to do something like this because I'm super shy and I don't like going places by myself because I don't know what to do with my hands. I floated around the venue for around 15 minutes or so, just taking random shots of cars drifting around the circuit. I didn't run into anyone I knew, so I just kind of kept to myself and spied on cars with my zoom lens. I don't know why, but I'm more excited to see this little drift taco than anything else out here. Get it, drift taco, get it. I spotted this really cool red E30 convertible that was shooting a ton of fire everywhere, and I caught a couple clips of that, and after another 5 minutes or so I decided to call it a night and went home. There you go, buddy. Enjoy your new home by these rocks. These cotton candy grapes are absolutely delicious. I love these. It's the next day. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of work in the garage. I've had a pounding headache all morning because I think I'm pushing myself a little bit too hard out here in this heat and not taking care of myself well enough. Because I was like really dizzy this morning. I'm gonna swap over this wastegate actuator from my new turbo because if you see right here, the rod's bent. And this doodad is clocked the wrong way with the one on my old turbo. Engage work mode. Old turbo. Ouch. Go. It's a wastegate asculator. Asculator. It's a wastegate asculator shish kebab. Asculator. A little curly. It can be fixed. My old one looks way cleaner. That's good. Just in case, I'm gonna mark this so I can see where it lines up. Right there. I tried my best, but the zinc coating on this actuator is too far gone. I couldn't save it, and I don't want to waste too much time trying to make it look, I'm not going to make it look perfect. It looks like a cake pop for a robot. I'm not going to do that. All right, old turbo. The camera just fall? I wasn't watching the screen. What happened? Did it fall? You guys got to tell me. You're the ones that are on the screen. Did it fall? News team assemble. Oh my god, that's heavy. 2 gaskets, turbo oil line gasket, and I think this other one goes on the oil pan. Turbo oil line gasket. I think this is for the pan. No, this is for the pan. Yeah, this one's weird. This one goes in the pan. Shit, I forgot to get a plug for this. Oops. Nice and tight. All right. Welcome to Sarah's drawer of parts. It's kind of a mess in here. I wish these are all zinc coated. That one's the right length, but doesn't have the washer. I think I'll just add a washer and I'll use this guy. It's 12.9, I believe. Yep, 12.9. I almost forgot I was doing a vlog video, so I just drove out on another road that I'm scouting for doing potential car views on, and I brought some sushi. So I'm gonna sit here and watch the sunset and eat sushi and listen to coyotes in the distance that probably want my sushi. This is my view right now from where I'm sitting, about to eat my sushi. It's so gorgeous. How yummy. Ooh. Lime and lemon and cilantro and salmon. What kind of a critter made these holes on the side of this dirt mound? Does it go hiss or buzz? I can't get over how pretty it is. Plug. It fits. Problem is, after doing some further research, excuse me, Gump. Oh, ouch! Gump tried tripping me. It's not funny, Gump. This is made out of brass. The melting point of brass is below. I have to Google it. And the exhaust side of my turbo is very close to that temperature. So brass is not gonna work. I went full white girl today. This is a pumpkin cinnamon sugar, pumpkin cinnamon something or other, iced decaf latte. This is a little bit vloggier than my normal content, but I'm just trying something out to see how you guys react in the analytics. So yes, don't worry, more working on cars will come. This is a plug. This is a EGT hole. 1.5. This plug is 1.5. Now I gotta check the hole. I would say that's a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I can't check if it's an M14. I don't have anything that goes large enough. I almost think it's M13. It's insanely tight. Like it threads in like one thread and then it just like binds. But it's correct. It's 1.5 thread pitch. There's no way that's SAE. It's a Eurospec turbo. So the plug on the bottom, M14 by 1.5. The fitting that came out of that turbo, M13 by 1.5. As some of you may know, M13 is like a unicorn size. That doesn't exist. It does exist, but it's insanely rare. No store is gonna have an M13 by 1.5 anything. I can't put this turbo in until I plug that port up. One of the biggest challenges I run into making automotive content for you guys is having a steady flow of stuff to work on with parts available to make videos. And that's not always easy, as you're seeing in this video right here. I didn't want that to happen. Since you guys know I'm going to be upgrading the stock suspension on here with coilovers, I figured I should set myself up now while the car is just sitting here on jacks waiting. How do you go? This way. So go in your hole. Kind of like what I'm doing with this turbo right now. I'm trying to get this 100% squared away so I don't put it in the car and then realize, oh crap, this is wrong and have to pull it all apart. Planning. I bought these bad chickens right here to go with my coilovers. And I don't know a lot about PowerFlex. I've never used them before. So I shall find out if they are a good brand or not. Other than these being purple, which I'm not a fan of just because it won't match anything on the car, this is pretty nice. Everything is individually labeled. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that makes it easy. Oh wow, lower engine mount, okay. Rear trailing arm, rear bush, engine mount, dog bone, awesome. Front lower control arm, strut, and links. All, that almost looked like I was giving you the finger, sorry. Are all coming off. Ooh, okay. There you go. All right. I'm taking the whole caliper off and the brake rotor to make everything easier to access. That way I can pull the lower control arm, the axle, and the entire strut as a whole assembly without using a spring compressor. There. In case you're looking at this and going, gee Sarah, that looks like absolute garbage, especially the ABS ring since you're having ABS issues with the car. I just ordered new wheel bearings and hubs for the car, so I'll change those at the same time. I'm gonna do it right. Or don't do it at all. That's the way I look at it. Ball joints on here look like they were just recently replaced though, so that's good. How's this guy? Yep, that looks good too on the tie rod end. Come out of there. It's a greasy nut. That guy's free. That guy's free. End link is off. This guy is free. Top 3 nuts are free. I'm keeping this compressed. That nut is staying on there. I'm not decompressing this because this is all going in the trash. Need to pull that nut. I just realized I don't have any food in my house, so I had to go grocery shopping. Life happened, and the plot thickens. At least I got a ton of prep work done, so the next video on the TT, there's a ton of stuff to install in this. And as far as the M13 by 1.5 situation goes with the turbo, I'm gonna take that fitting and have someone weld it shut and make it into a plug. I think that'll be the correct solution for this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the additional vlog content. It's just an idea for something I wanna try maybe in the future. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.